What's up and what is poppin', YouTube gang? It's your girl Kels, and in this video we're gonna be doing a DIY hair mask. Not only does this mask like promote hair growth, strengthen strands, and all that good stuff, it's super cheap to make. You can do it by yourself, and it's bomb for your hair. So obviously, because this is a DIY mask, I was gonna do it with you guys. I was gonna like make the mask and do it with you guys, but I couldn't find a ripe avocado, so I can't really use the mask right now, but I will film a video of me doing this mask at a different time. So I'll tell you guys the ingredients for the mask, and I'll show you guys all of it because I obviously like have all this stuff here, but my avocado unfortunately is not ripe enough to put in my hair. Okay guys, so for this mask, you're just gonna need half a tablespoon, well not half, a tablespoon of virgin olive oil. You're gonna need an egg. You're gonna need half of a ripe banana, and this isn't even like ripe enough. Like I would consider this like a black banana, because you're gonna just mush it up anyway. An avocado, in which it's not very ripe, but yeah, an avocado, and then water. And that's it. That's literally all you need. Now, to make the mask, obviously because I don't have the avocado, I can't make it, but I will literally show you. I'll literally tell you how to make the mask. I just can't fully make it because the stupid avocado is not ripe enough for my liking. But to make this mask, all you have to do is literally mash up the banana, like the ripe banana, just mash it all up. You take half of an avocado and you obviously put it inside of the banana and you mix that all together. Then you crack an egg and you put it inside of the banana and the avocado, and you mix-a-roo. And then you take the tablespoon of olive oil and you mix that in as well. Just mix. It's gonna be a little hard at first to mix, but add some water until you get it to a really smooth consistency, and then you're done. You just have that really nice smooth consistency. You then put that in your hair and you literally put it everywhere, and you let it sit in your hair for 30 minutes. It's obviously more beneficial if you have like a plastic cap or like a plastic bag and you put that over your head for like 30 minutes, but like you don't have to. It's just better. I've done both. Like I bought a plastic cap, but when I didn't have a plastic cap, I would use a plastic bag. It is what it is. Beauty's pain. But no, seriously, like that's really it. So yeah, you literally do that. You put the mask in for 30 minutes. You wash it out, and I promise you will literally see how bomb your hair feels. I bet people are like, why am I putting this stuff in my hair? Like, what exactly are the benefits of this stuff? Well, girl, I'm gonna tell you. Like, why would I tell you to put stuff in your hair if I'm not gonna tell you why and the benefits of it? So I'm gonna tell you right now. So honestly, every single thing that I mentioned, the banana, the avocado, the egg, and the olive oil, they're all really good for your hair. Like, they're all bomb for your hair. Avocado, everybody already knows how bomb avocado is. Avocado is a source of biotin. So with that being said, if it's a source of biotin, it's also gonna help promote hair growth, because biotin is a vitamin that promotes hair growth. So yeah, bomb. Not only that, the reason why the avocado is so beneficial is because it literally revitalizes your hair. It moisturizes your hair like, oh my god, it moisturizes your hair beyond belief, because like avocado is obviously a natural, I don't know if it's a fruit or a vegetable, oh my god, but avocado is obviously natural, like there's no chemicals or anything in it. So when you put this whole mask into your hair, the avocado will literally penetrate your freaking cuticle. It will literally penetrate your cuticle, and that will enhance like the moisture in your hair. So that is just benefits of just the avocado alone. It's bomb. Okay. The egg, on the other hand, everybody obviously knows egg is a source of protein. It's also a source of protein for your hair, just so you know. Bomb AF, and that's why this egg is obviously in the mask. Only that, but the egg has these cleansing properties that actually cleanse excess oils from your scalp. So that's really good to, of course, have in your hair, because you don't want like product buildup, you don't want your cuticles to swell, you also don't want your cuticles to be clogged with unnecessary product buildup, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why the egg's in there, because it has protein and also strengthens your hair and helps with oils. So that's why the egg's in there. The banana, like I feel like people are like, oh, what the hell? Oh, I got a new tattoo, guys. It's a little swollen and a little bloody, but yeah, I just got that done. But the banana, I'm sure like people are like, what the hell is the benefits of a banana besides like potassium? Well, potassium's really good. Or is it potassium? Yeah, it's potassium, the big K. Like me, K for Kelsey. Just kidding. But no. But what people don't know is that bananas actually help like prevent breakage and split ends, and they also can help with what's that stuff? The white stuff. Dandruff. So it can help prevent dandruff as well. So that's why the banana's in there. And last but not least, the olive oil. Everybody knows how bomb olive oil is. It's obviously very moisturizing for one. So strong in your hair shaft. Your hair will feel instantly soft. Like you'll feel the softness in your hair like instantly after washing out this mask. It reduces breakage and it also prevents frizz. And it has the same benefits as the banana. It also to prevent dandruff. So yeah, guys, this DIY hair mask is literally five ingredients. One of them being water. I had to double check. Yeah, 5 ingredients, one of them being water. And you will literally see such a difference when using this mask because it's all natural. It's DIY. Hello, it's fun. DIY stuff is fun to me. I don't know about you, but I like DIY stuff. So that's another good thing. It's fun. But yeah, if you guys use this mask anywhere between once to twice a week, in between obviously your styling needs, maybe once. You don't have to do it twice. I'd at least say maybe once a week, maybe I don't know, it just really depends on your hair. But this mask, you will literally notice a difference instantly after using the first mask. Mark my words. And if you do try this mask, comment down below and tell me how instantly freaking soft and smooth your hair felt, because I know you ain't even gotta tell me. I know you're gonna be like 10 out of 10 soft AF, because obviously a full-blown advocate for this DIY hair mask because I use it all the time and I love it. So I can't wait to see who uses it and what it does for your hair. And I just really hope that you guys share it with me. Let me know. Technical difficulties. My phone rang yet again. I feel like it's always ringing. But yeah. So using this mask with these 5 simple products, well, 4 products plus water, you will literally notice such a difference in your hair. Add this mask into your routine on top of the other tips and tricks that I have on my channel. If you guys have seen those videos, if you haven't, check them out, because all of these tips and everything that I'm giving you, using them together is only gonna make the process even faster. And I really hope you guys are enjoying like the fact that the videos are a little bit shorter, because I'm literally trying so hard to make them shorter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and then every Sunday on my channel for a new upload every week. Thank you again. See you guys on the flip side. Bye.